guys, welcome back to the channel, Bill Prado. Today we're doing a shower awning unboxing. Now this has been sent from Vic Off-Road. Shout out to those guys. Now the brand's actually HIMA. Now what I do already like about this awning is the font matches the colour of the car. Oh, this is also Panini, everyone. This is our Greyhound we got a month ago or so. Hopefully she's not too much in the way and too distracting, but she's really right in the centre of the camera. But yeah, so unboxing experience, wrapper just comes off simply, and then this just comes out as one piece, as you can see. And it's also got black powder coat finish, and it's got end caps either end, which is nice. Some awnings don't even come with end caps, just so you get an idea. Now, it comes with a bungee cord. Now this is to hang on your roof rack, and you put the shower head off the end so you get the extra height. But my car's already so high off the ground it doesn't need that. Then you also get your two L-shaped brackets, pretty standard looking. And you also get 4 of these pegs. And it's interesting, they're like giant nails. And as you can see, they've got the little hooks on the end to guide it in with your rope. And then this is an empty box. And also comes with, obviously, the bag, which in this case has the brackets for the inside the awning. You've got 2 shifters here. 13, 10, 12 and 14, so that's nice of them. And then in here you just have all your bolts and nuts. So pretty standard stuff. And there's also nylock nuts as well, which would be obviously good for off-road vibrations. And all these pegs will obviously stay in there full time. So that's what it all comes with. So now I'm going to show you how it opens up and then we'll put it on the car. Okay, so I've got the awning flipped over here. These end caps just clip off, like so, see that? And then you'll get your smaller bolts, and they'll slide in like so. And then you get your bracket, sits over top, and then you'll get your other nuts like this, and they'll just slide on top like that. So that is now, once you do that up with the shifter, that is now fully good to go. Do the same with the next one, and then end cap back on. And then it's time to install it on the roof rack. Okay guys, the Max Trax holder has been sacrificed in the process. It's bolted on the car, as you can see. Really easy, just went in the rider rack system. I've got heaps of bolts and stuff, so that were just leftovers that bolted up. So that's already on there now. So now we're going to open it up. It's very straightforward. Just like a normal awning, you sort of unzip it. 2 clips, and then this is a separate piece. 2 more clips, and these just come out. As you can see guys, that's now fully out. And it's got this really cool clip system. You kind of like clip it in and it holds it. It's really good. Oh, and also guys, it comes with a little light bar, which is really cool. It's the width of the awning and it's got just a USB plug. So that will just plug in your cigarette lighter or whatever. The dual battery is right here, so I can literally, I might even plug it in now actually. I'm kind of excited to see how it performs. Now this is daylight, so if it's dark, go easy on it. Okay, there you go guys, so the light's on now. Not sure you can see it, but that's working an absolute treat. And it's in a little like clear bag, so it's like semi-waterproof / proof on the shower. Obviously the water's going down here anyway, so that's not an issue. Okay, so once that's all installed, you want to get your cover here. Now this just simply unrolls, like so. And now, I've actually had it upside down. So make sure, the both ends look kind of similar, but you can tell by the logo which way to go. So you then want to get these clips, and they will clip on the sides of the clips at the top here, pretty straightforward, just a standard clip. And you can also just give them a pull to tension it up. Also like to add, I think compared to the other shower awnings on the market, it is very tight. I'll show a photo here right next to me. You can see it's very tight to allow, and it's presented really well. And also it's opaque. It's really hard to see through. The material is quite thick and strong and solid, and no one will be able to see in there, which is obviously what you want because of the shower. Like compared to some other ones on the market that are a bit flimsy and wobbly, this one is a very tight, nice, well done system. Okay guys, it's fully set up. I'll just show you around, show us the features. So you've got 2 zips, one's right here. Open this up, and then when you enter, it's all sealed all the way around. Now you do have a little handy compartment here if you want to put your toiletries, or maybe you have your phone with you or something, you chuck it in there where it'll be nice and safe. And you've also got a little clip here, and this is another bag that's see-through, so you might want to put your shampoo and stuff in there. Zips down here, keep coming around, There's also a zip on the corner if you want to have that as sort of like a side entry and you want to zip this closed. Now the logo is actually against the wheel, so I feel like this is a feature if you want to get into your car door, you can quickly open it up, which is a clever feature. And then obviously you've got the light bar up there, and the clip system I was swinging out before, which is a very nice system. You push that in, it closes and opens. But this is generally the idea of how it sits. And it comes with this metal bar, and as you can see, that literally just slides through these two holes here that are drilled for you, like that, and it's really high in the sky. Like this is me full height trying to touch that. Just you, like my head's up to here, like this is so high. You wouldn't need it on this car that's lifted. But that's where you put your hose, and then it will just shatter at the over, which is lovely. But in my case, I could just take that out and just have the hose run off the top there because it's already tall enough. And here's the instructions that come with. I just like to show these because as you can see, it's all in color. It's very well made, very well put out. And this is what you're sort of looking for. If you've never installed one before, see how easy this is. So they just make it really lovely, and it also comes with a 1-year product warranty, which is lovely. So just the little things, guys, to look out for when you're getting something. Make sure you have a good quality set of instructions and also a warranty. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. Awnings on the car, as you can see, it looks really nice with the matching font, and the bright orange, it kind of matches the car a lot better. It stands out less. But that's how you install it, and that's how you open it up. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. If you want to grab one yourself, go to Vic Off-Road, guys. It's on their website, and they're about $200, so they're one of the cheapest ones out there. Go have a sus. I did. And until next time, guys, I'll catch you guys on Built Prado.